Need wheelchair-accessible directions on Google Maps? With just a few taps, you can find routes designed to avoid stairs and other obstacles. First, open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. Make sure you're using the latest version. Now, enter your starting point and destination in the search bar. After selecting both locations, you'll see different travel options like driving, walking, or public transit. Next, look for the three-dot menu near the top right of the screen next to your route options. Tap on it to open more settings. In the menu that appears, select Route Options or Options. Here you'll find an option for wheelchair accessible routes. Tap the switch to enable it. Once activated, Google Maps will automatically adjust your route to show the most accessible paths, helping you avoid stairs and other obstacles. You now have wheelchair-friendly directions on Google Maps, making navigation easier and more inclusive. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more useful tips, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy navigating!